So when you work with the chain, it's very, very good tool just to increase your softness and to see how you react on different pain. And just to be brave, because the chain hurts a lot, especially when the chain know how to create double speed. It hurts very good. Because usually when the people create the stance, right, when you hit a couple times, the stance cannot help. They need to know how to avoid this pain. So, and usually when you have two choices, or you take the chain. When you're afraid and you can remove it, you can hit, or you a little bit more a little bit more have more skills. You do this different work. So it means, or you help him to lose the chain like that, or you just take the chain and you can, if you hit, you can grab the chain, rotate, make a movement like that, and remove the chain. So that's what we will study a lot, and it will be some new movement on Saturday. So please come, you will enjoy it.